Hi, this is Darlene of Darlene's Junk Journals and More, and today is day 4 of 5 days of Easter collab between CaraBrandonCreations and DearJulieJulie. And I have a few things to show you here. First of all, this is the page that we're working with from DearJulieJulie. And it's these beautiful images, the little girl and boy, and this beautiful image of this little chick and the calla lilies, and then this postcard and these beautiful images. And this is the page that we're working with for Cara Brandon, and it is the day 4, and it's a whole bunch of little ephemera, and there's a lot here that we can work with, and so I hope you enjoy what I've created. Excuse me while I just make sure I'm still in frame. I'm still learning this camera. Okay, so this is what we're working with, or what I did today. For this, this is going to be a pocket, so I added the little chick in the basket, and just added the word family and buttons and some little things to that. And then for the back of that, okay, how did I have this here? This is another little card here that I made, and it's just a little flip place where you can add notes. This opens as well, so it's a little tuck spot. This is for the little secret journaling spot, and it just slides in there. And then this closes like so. And then on the back, you've got more journaling spot there. And so that can tuck in the back of that. And then this one is a bigger spot. This is a library pocket. And as you can see on the back, it's blank. It can be put into a journal just like this. I did kind of a collage of different elements from Julie and Cara Brandon, and then it can have one of these tags that I made out of Julie's and some of Cara's elements in there. And then this tag can also be put behind this one, or it can be somewhere else in the journal. And then this is going to be a large tag for the journal, and I added some of Cara's elements and fussy cut, and added some little eggs that I had from my stash, and the word bunnies, and another bunny with the beautiful flowers, and just added some rickrack and lace and some I took apart a poof that I got from Walmart, and just used it for netting. And I also did that in a future video for green grass, for another one. And this card just has the word grateful and 2 of the little elements, and popped it up there. So that is what I have to show you for day 4. And because this is late going up, I'm going to go right into day 5 and show you what I did for day 5, because today is the day that day 5 was supposed to be going up, and I had some family emergencies and had to take care of them, so I'm late getting it up. This is what we are working with for day 5 for DearJulieJulie, and this is a beautiful little card envelope that Julie put this little chick and the floral arrangement on, and these are various little pieces of memorabilia and an Easter postcard. And this is the page that, it's a collage page that we were given from, this is what we're working with from Cara Brandon today. And all the links up below for all of these are in the description box below, and they are links to their Etsy shops and to all the other creators. And I will show you what we did. Okay, so this one I added the little hat and the bunny and the blessings. This is from one of Cara's other kits. And then we have this, this was just a little extra that I did. It's on a little tag that I got from the dollar store. This was a stack of sticker that I'd made, and just made a little tuck spot there with some of Cara's extra paper, and added some of the Easter eggs, and then just have these two little tiny tuck spots from DearJulieJulie's paper, and this one was from DearJulieJulie's paper, and then Cara Brandon's little bunny, and they're just little tiny spots that you can add, and that can go into a journal as a pocket. And then this one I did the little bunny, and I did the green that I got from a produce bag and made it look like grass, and added the little eggs and the chicks. And then on the back of this I took one of Julie's from her antique kit that she has out now to coordinate with this one as well. And this one I collaged onto one of Cara Brandon's tags. This is one of the bunnies. I'm not sure where that came from, can't remember. And this is another image of DearJulieJulie's and the little butterfly as well. This is another stack of sticker that I actually mounted onto this page of CaraBrandonCreations. If you can see, this one I printed this out multiple times, and this is on copy paper, good quality copy paper. And so there's a stack of sticker on top of cardstock here, and there's part of DearJulieJulie's, and just did a number of different elements onto the stack of sticker. Then did Cara Brandon's, mounted onto Cara Brandon's that purple paper that she had in excuse me, it's like a brocade that she had in her kit, and just to give it some dimension, and added this little element, and I'll show you in the closure later. And then on this side is another stack of sticker, and it's got various elements from the kits as well, and added the little stickers from the dollar store there. And this is made into a little booklet, and I'll just show you the closure right now. This pops up to just hold it, and then this just mounted this, so it's a little tuck spot of the little girl from DearJulieJulie's fussy cut pages, and a little girl from my stash. Oh, these two pages almost stuck together. And then this is just a little flip out page, and just journaling pages. This is an Amway page that I got from Sandy, Big Mama. I love it because my parents used to get Amway products years ago. So, and they had friends that did Amway. And So there's just bunny and different elements in here. Another little girl, little bunny. This is actually a tuck spot on this side, and on this side it's an actual pocket, and for that little spot. And then this page is just a little embellishment and the little girl. So there's lots of places to write in that little journal that I made. And so, and then and this can be put onto a page on the top like that, or it can be tucked in anywhere you want it. And so that is the end of my day 5. And so I want to thank you for sticking by me with being late for getting these up, and thank you for your patience, and thank you for all my new and returning subscribers, and I hope that you're having as much fun doing these as I am and watching what everybody's making. I'm behind on my watching because I've been just trying to get mine uploaded, and so I hope this uploads good, and that you're able to see and hear me okay. And I'm going to be now completing this journal as part of the junk journal challenge that Julie has for this month, which is a anything goes A to Z junk journal challenge, and I will be adding the link to that in the description box below, because I really think it is a really good challenge to help you get challenges finished. And before we go, there's one more thing I want to show you. You know, one more thing. Okay, so Julie had a mini challenge. I think this was 2 weeks ago. It wasn't this last Monday, it was the week before. And it was a Make 5 challenge. It was a mini challenge in the challenge, and we had to have sequins or something small, messy string, a digital from DearJulieJulie, scrapbook paper, and lace. And so I just wanted to give you a brief showing of what I had done for that. I made some little pockets and things to add to my journals that I'm finishing for this month. This is a little card that just flips up, and you've got journaling space here, and you've got a tuck spot here, and then it's a pocket at the back. So that's the one. And then this one just says memories, and it's got the little all of them have the same sequins. They're all little green flowers and the lace and the word memories from my scrapbook paper. This is Eastman Brothers from DearJulieJulie, and this is from DearJulieJulie's, I think that's from her butterflies, from her pansies, I believe. It's an older, it's one I've had for quite a while. And then this is scrapbook card that I hadn't got using, and then just a little extra lace at the top and messy thread and the word happiness. And then this one is from a postcard that she had, and I like this saying from my scrapbook paper: it's the little things in life that matter the most. And just messy string and some lace and the sequins again for that. And then this little girl from this one will be going into this Easter journal, and the little girl from Julie's Easter kit, and again the same sequins and lace, and just popped it up on some green cardstock just to give it some contrast, and some scrapbook paper that I've had for a very long time. And so that was the mini challenge from a couple weeks ago that I didn't get, again, I didn't get it uploaded in time, but I just wanted to show everybody what I'd made. Okay, so hopefully that was all in frame, and anyway, that is what I have to share today. And so I will see you next Wednesday, I believe it is, for the finale. Bye now.